Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how our AI tool takes one of the complicated federal rules, the Service Contract Act, and makes it simple and stress-free. From wage data to submission-ready reports, everything now runs automatically in the background. Let's start with the story behind it. Why is wage compliance so difficult? Here's what makes it so tricky. First, contractors have to follow the federal rules and always use the latest wage determination files. But these files change all the time, by state, by county, and by job title. Each update means a new version to track, new rates to compare, and new records to update. And since the payroll data often come in different formats, there's no easy way to merge them with federal compliance. And it doesn't stop there. After the checks, teams still need to review, approve, and submit compliance packages to their clients or government systems. And what if you submit the wrong or outdated wage determination? Then you risk audits, withheld payments, or even penalties. That's the reality of wage compliance: complicated, repetitive, and risky. That's why we built an automation engine that continuously monitors, validates, and prepares compliance reports, keeping every contract up to date and audit-ready. Next, I will talk about how our automation engine works. It starts by pulling the latest wage determination files directly from the official database. What you see here is the page where all wage determinations are published and updated. Our system connects directly to this source, automatically pulling the latest files by state, county, and job title, so you're always working with the most current rates. After pulling the raw data, our system reads and standardizes those files, cleaning up the data, fixing inconsistent formats, and turning them into a single, structured dataset. Next, the system takes the official wage data it processed and matches it with your organization's payroll files. Then it instantly spots any pay gaps or missing information and builds a clear compliance report showing who's below the required rate and where updates are needed. From there, the system can generate submission-ready reports and customize the report to fit your approval workflow or client portal. Next, let's see how data turns into insights to explore what kind of results the system actually delivers. The output is not just a static file, it's an interactive compliance dashboard, one place where everything comes together for instant analysis. Here's the starting point. What you see here is the main wage determinations dashboard, a clean summary of all official wage data collected. At the top, the widgets show how much data we're working with, like how many job titles and locations are included. In the center, the matrix helps you explore how wages differ by state, county, or job type. It's a quick way to spot patterns. The table below lists every record in detail, so you can trace each rate back to its source. And on the left, filters let you focus on just the data you need. Here's the second page of the report, after bringing your payroll data together with the official wage rates, and instantly highlighting where gaps exist. At the top, the blue summary bar shows the overall picture: total wage gap, number of employees analyzed, and how many are below compliance. The charts in the middle turn numbers into insights: which states or counties contribute most to the gap, which non-compliant job titles appear most often, and what your overall compliance rate looks like. And below, every non-compliant employee is listed with full details: their rate, required wage, and the exact rate reference. In just one screen, you can see the big picture and the root cause, ready to take action. Now let's look at the real impact. What business value and risk control benefits our clients actually gain? With automation, reports that used to take days are now ready in minutes. Teams save time, reduce errors, and focus on higher-value work, planning, development, and growth. The system catches issues before they become problems, from job misclassification to missing benefits or expired wage determinations. It keeps everything accurate, compliant, and always audit-ready. In the end, it's all about being accurate, automated, and compliant. If you'd like to see how it works with your own data, feel free to reach out. We'd love to show you a live demo. And thank you for watching this video.